Good morning. Today's video is my Valentine's front porch entry. So come along with me as I show you how I decorated my entry for Valentine's Day. So I'll go ahead and let you take a look at it, and then I'm going to tell you a little bit about what I've done here. Okay, so now I'll tell you a little bit about what I've done here. On each side of the door, I have the two trees. I used these for Christmas, but I decided to leave them up because they do have the snow on it, and it'll give that winter look. I've added a large bow at the top and the little heart beneath the bow. And I've done that on each side. On my door, I've added the 3 hearts. And all of these items were from the DollarTree. So I've added a little bear at the top holding the hearts, a bow, and this little sign from the DollarTree. I just attached the hearts together, and then at the bottom I added another bow. My doormat here was from Ross's, and it has the triple heart on it also. The ribbons all were from the DollarTree. So I have the black linen with the ribbon, and over here I have the black and white linen also with the ribbon. Well, I hope I've given you some ideas today when decorating your entry for the Valentine's holiday. I want to thank the design family for coming along with me today on this Decorate Your Entry. And if you're not a part of our family, I'm going to ask that you hit that like, comment, subscribe, and come along and be a part of our family. We would love to have you. If you would, leave me a comment and let me know what you think. I surely would appreciate it. And don't forget to hit that thumbs up. This is Emma. I'm going to be seeing you all in my next video. Wait for the night view. Here it comes. Thanks for watching.